Welcome to Evolve Bloomington, where student living blends comfort, color, and contemporary style in one vibrant haven. Choose from suite studios or spacious 1 to 4 bedroom apartments with a warm bed, sleek study space, roomy wardrobe, TV for movie marathons, water heater, dishwasher, and in-unit laundry for hassle-free wash days. You also get to enjoy your own room and bathroom for extra privacy. Plus, your rent also covers electricity and water. Hustle hard in the community study spaces, then recharge in the fitness center or cool off with a swim in the pool. For downtime, hang out in the clubhouse, shoot hoops on the basketball court, take on friends in the game room, or relax with a spa-like soak in the hot tub. Pets are welcome too. With 24-hour staff support, security cameras, and smart access, life here is safe and seamless. Best of all, you're only minutes from Indiana University and Kelley School of Business, with buses from Walnut Street, College Avenue, and 17th, making city travel easy. Come, join the student community at Evolve Bloomington via amberstudent.com today.